Car repairs don't have to drain your bank account. The average driver in the US spends over $1,200 a year just on repairs and maintenance. But most of that money goes into things you could have prevented or handled smarter. In this video, we are revealing the biggest car repair secrets mechanics don't want you to know. And if you follow them, you can save over $5,000 every single year. Stick around because some of these tips will completely change the way you take care of your car. Let's get started. Secret number 9. Learn to do basic repairs yourself. One of the easiest ways to slash car costs is by learning basic DIY repairs. Mechanics can charge you $50 to $100 just to replace a cabin air filter or a headlight bulb that costs $10 at the store. Even something as simple as changing windshield wipers, topping up fluids, or replacing spark plugs can save you hundreds in labor fees every year. YouTube tutorials and car manuals make it simple, even for beginners. Once you get comfortable, you'll realize most small repairs aren't nearly as scary as they sound. By handling the little stuff yourself, you're not only saving money but also building confidence and skills that will keep your wallet happy for years. Secret number 8. Stick to preventive maintenance, not just repairs. Most people only go to the mechanic when something breaks, but that's the most expensive way to care for your car. Preventive maintenance like oil changes, transmission fluid flushes, and tire rotations may seem like small expenses, but they prevent catastrophic damage down the line. For example, skipping a $100 transmission fluid change could lead to a $4,000 transmission replacement. Preventive care works like health checkups. You spend a little now to avoid huge bills later. Mechanics don't always remind you of this because big repairs mean bigger profits for them. The truth is, consistent preventive maintenance is the single most powerful secret to saving thousands every year. Secret number 7. Avoid spending on engine additives. One of the biggest money traps in the car world is engine additives. You've probably seen bottles on the shelf claiming they'll clean your engine, improve fuel economy, or extend engine life. The truth is, most modern engines don't need them at all. If you're already using high-quality fuel and changing your oil on time, additives are just a waste of money. In fact, some can even do harm by disrupting the balance of detergents already in your oil or fuel. So why do mechanics and shops push them so hard? Simple, they're pure profit. You're handing over $20 to $50 for something that gives your car little to no benefit. The smarter move is, stick to regular maintenance and use good quality oil and gas. You'll save hundreds every year just by avoiding these unnecessary products. Secret number 6. Don't overspend on dealership repairs. Car dealerships are notorious for charging double or even triple what an independent shop will charge for the same repair. Something as basic as brake pad replacement might cost $600 at the dealership, but a trusted local mechanic can do it for $250 with the exact same quality parts. Dealerships rely on fear and intimidation to make you think they're your only option, but you always have a choice. Independent shops, especially ASE-certified ones, often give you better service, faster turnaround times, and lower bills. Unless your car is under warranty, you should almost never use the dealership for repairs. This one change alone can save you thousands every year. Secret number 5. Use OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts. One trick mechanics use is pushing cheap parts that don't last, which forces you to come back sooner for another replacement. Therefore, always ask for OEM parts or trusted aftermarket brands with good reviews. While they may cost a little more upfront, they can last twice as long, meaning fewer repairs and less labor down the road. For example, a cheap brake rotor might last 20,000 miles, but a high-quality one can easily last 60,000 miles or more. Over time, this adds up to thousands saved on unnecessary replacements. The next time your mechanic suggests a part, don't just nod. Ask what brand it is and demand quality. Secret number 4. Rotate and maintain your tires. Tires are one of the biggest money drains for car owners, but here's the thing. Most people wear them out way too early without even realizing it. And when tires go bad, it's not just about replacing rubber. Neglected tires can wreck your suspension and throw your alignment off, turning one problem into a much bigger repair bill. But rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles ensures even wear, extending their lifespan significantly. And when you combine it with proper inflation, you're looking at an extra 15,000 to 20,000 miles of tire life. Considering a set of tires costs anywhere from $600 to $1,200, that's a massive savings. Also, poorly maintained tires force your engine to work harder, burning more fuel. By following this simple habit, you're not just saving money on tires, but also at the gas pump. Secret number 3. Use an OBD2 scanner to outsmart mechanics. When that check engine light pops up, most people panic and head straight to a mechanic. But here's the truth. Mechanics charge $100 to $150 just to diagnose the issue. And all they're doing is plugging in a simple scanner. You can buy the exact same tool online for $20 to $40. With it, you can see if the issue is something minor or something serious. Even better, Bluetooth scanners connect to your phone and give live data. That means you'll know what's wrong before you even walk into a shop. This not only saves you $300 to $500 per year in diagnostic fees. Secret number 2. Don't ignore warning signs. That squeak, rattle, or burning smell is your car's way of begging for attention. Ignoring it is one of the costliest mistakes drivers make. For example, squeaky brakes might just need a $150 pad replacement. But ignore it, and you'll be shelling out $800+ for rotors and calipers. Small oil leaks cost around $200 to $300 to fix, but if you let them continue, they can starve your engine and cause a $4,000 to $7,000 failure. On average, ignoring small issues costs drivers $1,500 to $3,000 per year. The golden rule is, if your car is making a new noise or smell, get it checked immediately. Secret number 1. Use quality oil and filters. Here's a silent killer of engines. Cheap oil and filters. Low-quality oil breaks down fast, leaving sludge that destroys engines. A seized engine costs $4,000 to $7,000 to rebuild, and in some cars, over $10,000 to replace. By spending just $15 to $20 more per oil change on full synthetic oil and a quality filter, you extend engine life dramatically. High-quality oil also lets you stretch service intervals safely and improves fuel efficiency, saving more money long-term. Over the life of your car, this simple upgrade can save you $2,000 to $3,000, which averages out to about $300 to $500 every year. There you have it. 9 car repair secrets that can save you over $5,000 every year. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you want more insider car tips, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.